I just wanted to show you that glowing, glittering in that birch tree there. You can see the rainbow colours of the water droplets. Really bright. I think sometimes when you're in nature, you get this kind of you connect with that emptiness inside, particularly when it's beautiful and you're on your own, not so much when you're talking to other people, or you've got the tranny on, the transistor radio. But when you're in the quiet in nature, you quite often connect with this inner quality of the void, with that deep emptiness inside, that kind of longing. And a tendency is to avoid it or move away from it. But the secret is to relax into it. That way you can shift and move through it. Come to a place of inner peace. I think you often have to do a lot of counselling to get there, to that space of, you have to shift all these thought patterns that you've created that create that quality within yourself. So you need to really do both things at once. That's why it's really good to, when you're working into nature awareness, to seek out a form of counselling as well, to shift the negativity. Some forms of coaching are good as well, as long as it works into the counselling quality first, and shifts the stuff that needs to get shifted so you can relax into that space. Otherwise it's not easy to get a quality of let surrender enough to move through. It is possible, but it's more difficult. Anyway, I just wanted to leave you with that. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.